Hi, this is a short video with an idea for how to tackle climate change faster. At the moment, most countries around the world have targets and policies to cut emissions, but I think we should be setting targets and policies to swap emitting products directly as well. The reason for this is pragmatic. We'll get more stuff done, and here's why. For investors, those funding the solutions, if you're cutting emissions, you've got more than 200 areas of focus, from energy efficiency to building design to transport design to renewables to devices that suck carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere. It's hard to prioritise that many things to do. Under approach 2 though, there are just 3 areas of focus for the next 10 to 15 years. Swapping engines, swapping boilers and swapping stoves, make it easier to drive focus change and faster change. The second group this affects will be project managers, those people trying to build and implement solutions. If you're cutting emissions, your KPIs are typically indirect, require complex measurement, and because of these, are tough to translate into a short-term target. Emissions can fluctuate by month or by year, limiting the accuracy to which you can hold people to account. Now, with products it's different. You can set weekly KPIs. For example, to swap out all the engines in the world by 2050, we'd need to replace 190,000 a week. That level of preciseness means it's easier to stay on track and hold people to account, which again will drive faster change. The third group this affects will be homeowners and businesses too, actually. So if you're cutting emissions, you're never done. There are always ways to be more energy efficient, and all aspects of your activity could contribute to emissions in some way, from the food you eat to the clothing you buy to the transport you use. It's hard to be a role model. If you're swapping products though, it's much easier. For homeowners at least, you can be done in a couple of months. Swap out your boiler and your stove, you can become an advocate. That makes it easier to build grassroots action and lead by example. So it's for these reasons, I feel like we should be setting targets and policies to swap emitting products. I do believe we'll get more done. Do you agree?